Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. With Aweber e-commerce, you can add an order form link to things like a button in your email so people can click the button and go right to your order form. First, we'll click on the e-commerce button on our landing page, and then under order form in the menu, we'll copy the order form link. With that copied, we'll go into our email and we'll drag a button in there. We'll center the button, change the text a little bit as well. We'll let people know that clicking this button will take them to an order form, they're buying something. And then in the URL section, we'll paste that order form URL. So now anybody receiving our email can click this button. It'll open up our landing page directly with the order form already opened up. That way people don't need to hunt around our page for a button to order our product. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.